Take action pages. Now that we have seen how categories are associated to issue pages, so whenever I'm going to be in a piece of content that has, depending on the tag, there is a dynamically populated pages, but as a category, in this case, energy, I am going to be redirected. I'm going to access these issue pages, which is basically describing what's the problem, what's our vision, and basically how we work to tackle this problem or to achieve this vision. You may have seen in different parts of the site these pieces of content. They are also here in the Explore, but they are mostly in the Act page. You see, like with this platform is a platform designed to drive people to take action or to empower campaigners to be creative and just get people to take action with Greenpeace. The most direct way the design team we figured out how to do is to create these dynamic cards. Okay, you can see also them in the responsive version. Okay, these are called take action covers or cards. Okay, what they basically do, they appear everywhere. You use the take action covers block. See, for example, if I go in here, you can see that in Act page, you use these blocks. This block basically dynamically populates the page with take action pages. Okay, so take action pages. If you hit on any of the take action cards. Oh, sorry. This is a take action cover block. Okay, as we have seen before, all you need to do is just to tell the take action cards block which tags should populate the block. That's it. You don't decide any image whatsoever and so on. You can either determine where to see 1, 2 rows or all the covers that are associated with these tags, but that's about it. The role of this block is to populate content based on the take action pages you have created. Okay, so this is what happens in the, let's say, admin edit mode, but in the front end, when I go to Act or when I go to any other page that has take action cards, I see these blocks, and if I click on any of them, I access a page called a take action page. In your sitemap, you should have already started to think about or should have already clear in your mind what is the take action pages. Basically, take action pages represent your campaign, your project, your ask. Okay, what are we talking about now? This doesn't look very nice because it's a dev environment. Let's pick another one that maybe has like a more funky layout. Let's say this one, plastic free feature. This is a take action page. Okay. It's where people should arrive to do something with Greenpeace. Okay, you learn about the topic, you want to do stuff. Okay, this is a very, let's say, highly customized take action page. But the point is, all this is built obviously with blocks. But as you can see, it has Act as a parent. Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to click on that. But basically, if you go in the way take action pages work and have been designed for to, let's say, populate all these cards and appear everywhere and appear as first in the search results, all to drive people to action. They have been designed to propose, basically fairly quickly explain what the problem, how you can do something, what's the vision to tackle this problem or to achieve this vision, and give people the option to do something with Greenpeace or by themselves or with their local communities. But the way these pages are built, you see they are built using the default template, which is the one that maximizes the use of the blocks, and by having Act as a parent. Okay? That's all about it. You obviously, as posts, you attribute categories and tags. But the most important part to have a take action page is to attribute them, act as a parent. So the key difference between issue pages and take action pages is the parenting. This is why in the settings we have to attribute which is act, which is explore. So the big point of this navigation is that act and explore are not only two buttons part of the navigation, but really generate a series of functionalities that are really specific to the Planet 4 tool. This is an issue page, and as you can see, it has explore as a parent page, whereas our act page has act. So it's fairly important to understand how these parenting categories and tags, well, not tags really much in this context, but how they interact with each other, because once you got this, what is called page type relationship, you got most of the site. Then all the rest is just blocks. It's just block of content, and you can just put anything you prefer, your content, your image, whatsoever. But as a web admin, as a web content manager, it's really important that you understand that take action pages must have act as parent, and issue pages must have explore parent. That's how you create issue pages, and that's how act gets populated, or any other one that you choose to gets populated with take action cards. Take action card does pull out simply the tags that I attribute to my take action page, which is consumption and oceans. The excerpt and the title. That's it. Take action pages can obviously be used for a multitude of reasons, but if you understand this functionality, you start to really use the tool at its full potential. You see, for example, these take action pages are exactly the same pages, but they have been built in the site with a different purpose. In the first bit, there are more things you can do within our campaign. And in the second part, there is things you can do with Greenpeace, such as donate to us, volunteer, work with us, or sail aboard one of our ships. For example, if you want to see how I am using, for example, take action pages in the handbook, is a totally different way. I'm just dynamically populating block tags. So basically, I am explaining the blocks using take action pages. It just works. It's dynamically populated, and I don't have to do anything other than create take action pages. It just works. So using take action pages really is one of the key features of Planet 4 that should be pretty straightforward.